our chef has a simple recipe that takes us back to England.
Ooh, it's perfect for colder days when you want a good home-cooked meal. So let's head in the kitchen with Chef Brad Scott.
Hi, Chef Brad Scott from the kitchens at Scott Community College. And you know, bangers and mash is a very old dish, and it gets its name from adding moisture to the sausage, so when you hit the oil, it bangs. So let's get started. I've got some ground sausage. To that, I'm gonna add about a cup of rolled oats, a pinch of dry mustard, some red chili flakes, a little kosher salt, a little black pepper, and here comes the bang. I've got a stout beer, and to this 1 pound of pork, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of the liquid, and I'm gonna mix this up. Just like a meatloaf. Oh, I can smell that stout. Now, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of corn oil to a hot pan. I'm gonna quarter up 4 1/4-pound patties. All right, our oil's hot. Let's go to the pan. Nice little sizzle. Now, the reason we use so much oil is we're gonna make a roux, oil and the flavorings from the sausage, and that's for our onion gravy. All right, let's flip. Oh, nice little crunch on the outside. Now, these are gonna take about 6 to 8 minutes. And we can come down a little bit on our heat. Nice little push to get some of that fat into the oil. All right, so we're gonna take the sausage out and let it rest while we make our gravy. Now remember, all the sticky stuff on the bottom, we call that fond. We're gonna mix that right together with about 2 tablespoons of flour. And again, remember, this is called a roux. Also remember, the longer you leave this roux on, the darker it gets. And since this is a dark gravy, we want to leave this on a little extra time. Now, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup per person of diced onion, another nice little stir. We just want these onions caramelized, about 3 minutes. All right, we're ready. I'm gonna add about a cup of beef stock per person, right to the onion mixture. And we're gonna stir consistently. We want this mixture to tighten up. All right, I'm gonna put the sausage back in and let this finish tighten up. It's been about 10 or 12 minutes, and look how it's tightened up. We are ready to plate. I'm gonna add about a cup of mashed potatoes, and we're ready for the sauce. I say 2 per person, right on top of the mashed. Make sure you get lots of onions, and don't forget some extra gravy. And that is some rib sticking food, old school style, banger.